What's up, guys? If you have an older Yamaha, this is a Yamaha electric golf cart, and on a lot of Yamahas, the location of the serial number is sometimes a mystery, sometimes hard to find. With this guy, lift up the seat, look next to the frame on the side of the batteries. That right there is where it is for this particular model, and the model name usually on this right behind the seat area. See the model on the right hand side and the build date on the top line. So those are areas you can check on your model if you're trying to find that information. This is just a 4-passenger little electric cart. Some of them have the model name and serial in different locations, but that's just where it is for this particular one. So if yours looks like this, that may help you find it if you're having trouble locating it. Check out our channel. We got all kinds of videos relating to golf carts, motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, dirt bikes. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation. We always appreciate it. And look for the social media links in the description of the video. You'll have a good day.